Burkert Biosystems, complete hygienic modularity. This video looks at how we can assemble, very quickly, a flexible hose system. To begin with, let's look at the ferrule. The ferrule comes in two pieces. The inner ferrule, which is giving you your process connection, and the outer ferrule, which allows the hose to be assembled safely and securely to the inner ferrule. To begin the assembly, we take the hose and the outer ferrule. Using some glycerine oil or a similar suitable lubricant, lubricate the end of the hose. Once the hose is lubricated, push firmly into the outer ferrule. You might have to twist a little bit just to get the hose to go in. Once the hose has been fully inserted, mark the position with a pen or a pencil on the outside. Then apply some more lubricant to the inner ferrule and begin to push the outer ferrule with the hose inserted over the inner ferrule and turn to catch the thread. And on the inside, the cutaway clearly shows the smooth and crevice-free connection achievable every time with these reusable fittings. Thank you.